Namaskar. Namaskar to President Maharaj Ji, General Secretary Maharaj Ji, our Assistant Secretary, the senior monks on the dais, monks of the dais, participants, devotees. It is my lifetime privilege to have an opportunity to speak a few words in this afternoon at the anniversary of Foundation Day of Ramakrishna Mission. 120 years have passed since Ramakrishna's chief disciple, Swami Vivekananda, inaugurated this new service-oriented spiritual organization for the good and well-being of all. The founding of the Ramakrishna Mission is a landmark event in the cultural history of modern India. A few weeks after triumphant return from the West, Swami Vivekananda called a meeting of the monastic and lay devotees of Sri Ramakrishna at the house of Belur Basu in Bagbazar on May 1, 1897. Swamiji placed before his ideas about setting up an organization. After studying Western society, he understood the enormous power of organization that was at the back of prosperity and growth there. Swamiji once remarked that he was tempted by that what he saw there. So we wondered if an organization could be founded in India on the principles of Vedanta that we had learned from he had learned from his master. This idea prompted him to start an organization in the name of Sri Ramakrishna, his beloved master. By founding the Ramakrishna Mission, Swami Vivekananda made the deal of practical Vedanta a reality. The Swami declared the motto of organization for one's own liberation and for the good of the world. 2 weeks after the first meeting of the Ramakrishna Mission, the first organized relief operations were conducted by the newly founded organization among the famine-stricken people of Mahula in Murshidabad, West Bengal. There was not mere social service, for the members taking part in the relief services were inspired by Swami Vivekananda, who taught, "He who sees Shiva in the poor, in the weak and the deceased, really worships the Shiva. And if he sees Shiva only in the image, his worship is but preliminary." A handful of educated men, fired by the idol of renunciation, service and devotion to Sri Ramakrishna, planted the seed of monastic brotherhood, which subsequently developed into the twin institution known as the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, which have a palpable presence all over the world today. The Math and the Mission are instruments to translate Ramakrishna Vivekananda idol into action. This twin institution, along with people subscribing to the principles and ideals of Sri Ramakrishna, constitute the worldwide spiritual movement called the Ramakrishna movement. The movement has grown in such stature and gathered momentum as years rolled on. Swami Vivekananda envisioned a bright future for all. He passionately hoped, let new India arise out of the peasant's cottage, grasping the plough, out of the hearts of fisherman, the cobbler and the sweeper. Let her emerge from the groves of the forest, from hills and mountains. True to Swami Vivekananda's vision, emphasis was laid on education among the tribal and marginalized people in different parts of the country. In addition, relief activities, healthcare, socio-economic development, especially rural and tribal development activities, brought great changes in several areas. The organization has brought out great improvement that has come about in quality of life of the beneficiaries. In fact, Ramakrishna Mission today stands as a tower of hope for the deprived, poor, and neglected masses of India. On the completion of the 128 years of the mission's existence, I pray for the blessings of Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother, Sri Sarada Devi, and Swami Vivekananda, and the cooperation and active participation of the monastic members, lay devotees, friends, and admirers of the Ramakrishna movement. Before I conclude, I would like to repeat the appeal made by Swami Vivekananda at the end of his preliminary talk at the first meeting of the Ramakrishna Mission. Addressing the gatherings of the monastic and householder devotees at Biswajit Basu's residence, Swami Vivekananda said, "We are but the servants of the masters. May you all help in this work." Thank you. Namaskar.